It's official. The bull market is on. We are charging over to Dan Deming at KKM Financial. What could hold this market back?
Yeah, Angie, this week is going to be key because we did get through that 4,300 level in the S&P 500. But then, we did see some intraday selling last Friday after we peaked through there. So I think this week, with all the data points, the Fed announcement, expiration at the end of the week, coupled with the S&P now challenging and pushing above that 4,300 level and those and challenging those February levels, this is going to be a key level. I mean, if we can get through that 43.25 level, then that would take out the February levels and we could see further upside. But at this time, it does appear that, at least for the S&P, there's some resistance here around this 4,300 level.
What is the market telling you about the Fed this week? A rate hike or a rate pause?
Yeah, the expectations are 70% chance of a pause still at this point in time. Now, last week, we did get two surprise rate hikes by two other central banks in the Bank of Canada and the Reserve Bank of Australia. So that put market participants a little bit on alert. And we are seeing rates now pushing back up to the highest level since the middle of May, headed into this announcement this week, Angie. But as of right now, the market does anticipate that the Fed will still hold on this meeting and analyze the data throughout this week.
What else are you watching this week?
Well, outside the data points and the Fed announcement and how the market digests that, as I mentioned, the interest rate environment now pushing back up towards those May highs. We're just shy of there. So that's another factor that could tip the scale one way or the other for the equity markets as we move through the week. But ultimately, we have a big expiration, a quarterly expiration at the end of the week. So that could create some price action and some volatility as well.
Never a dull moment in this market lately. Thank you, Dan.
All right. Thanks. Thanks, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.